going to show you some patterns that you can use to create your own songs, your own little solo guitar arrangements. And I'm using just the D string, G string, and B string. And for this first one here, I've got my second finger on the note E, G string is open, first finger is on C. The next one is my second finger is on F. I again have open G. I'll have open G throughout this whole little exercise here. Third finger is on the note D. The next one is on the 5th fret, and I've got my second finger on G. Again, open G, and I've got my third finger on E. The next one is I have A on the 7th fret of the D string, open G, first finger is on F. Next one, second finger is on the note B on the 9th fret, open G, and first finger is on the note G on top. Next one is C on the 10th fret of the D string, open G, and third finger is on the note A. Then I have D, G, and B right at the 12th fret of the guitar. And then if you want, if you have a cutaway guitar or it's a little easier to play than this one, you can play another E, open G, and C. Now the picking arrangement that I'm using, I'm doing some little hybrid picking here, and that just means I'm using a combination of my pick and fingers. What works well for me is I like to use my 3rd and 4th fingers on the on the G string and the B string, and then I use my pick on the D string, so I get this. And if you want to think about this more theoretically, this would be a C major chord right here. I'm taking just 2 notes from that D minor first inversion chord. So I have F, A, C. I'm thinking of E minor here. I'm thinking of F major, G major, A minor, B diminished triad, and then back to C. I'm just leaving out, or I'm keeping consistent that note G in the middle. I just think it sounds pretty. It's kind of hard for me to play up here. I got to work at that. So I hope that kind of gets you started. You can mix and match these. I just want you to kind of experiment, have fun, changing your fingers around, listening to when you get, some tension notes, when you get those resolutions, what that does for your own music. So in your own piece, you want to create some moments of tension and some moments of, consonance, some moments of release of that tension. So just use your ear, mess around. This is where you're going to learn a lot just about structure of tunes, structure of phrases. So hope that's fun.